Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, power passenger seat, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, running boards, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.